Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft OneNote for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 8, insert a link. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for what's good or business. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications, scroll to the bottom to explore all the applications. Now go to OneNote. Let's click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. Click on Computer Science Videos Notes. And we are now within the section all pages, videos, and the idea of this tutorial is to insert a link. I will be using my own YouTube channel, so what we can do is go to the right top corner where we see the dots, click on new incognito window, open up the YouTube channel, Computer Science Videos. Yep, let's just take this link, highlight Command C, X out of the incognito mode, and we can click on insert link. I have the link copied, Command V to paste. CSV, insert the link, and there we go. The link itself is now inserted. I'm not too sure why it's inserted itself within the title. So we'll just do Command and Z to undo. If we go back to insert link, copy the address, display text, CSV, insert, and there we have the link ready to be opened up and viewed in your web browser. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.